Heavy is the head that has to manage all of this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
We're now incentivized to buy what we already buy.
Fumbling through college had me building.
I also got some done on the other side.
And that was right around, I would say, May, maybe, right before renewing the lease for this property. Welcome to the channel, Martha.
Thank you for having me here.
Oh, I was going to say, I am getting up there and names, I'll tell you what.
Bills paid by other people, life was never this good. I had to step back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, I do believe I have the greatest investment strategy of all time. It is going to be in my new book that has not been finished yet or completed. But today we're going to talk about a company that I did not put in my stock market portfolio because I actually believe this company is going to go bankrupt. And I'm going to be the first one to inform you on this. And it is scary to say this because I actually come from the healthcare industry. I also come from a research-based education. I am a biologist. And, to be in the healthcare industry, the insurance industry, to understand the need, the necessity for this type of business, it's insane that I believe is going to go bankrupt. And here's why. So the company that we're going to talk about today is, here's my fake drum roll, Walgreens. Walgreens is going to go bankrupt. You probably already saw it in the thumbnail. Now, why do I believe Walgreens is going to go bankrupt? Because my investment strategy gives me a little bit of perspective. When I talk about dividend growth stocks, I want to see a company that is growing in value, also pays a moderate dividend, and, is going to have a great forward outlook or projection. And then, of course, my values. You got to know it, use it, love it, and believe in the future. So this one, Walgreens, I know it. Do I use it? Sure. Do I love it? No. We have CVS and so many other companies, Rite Aid, that I think about before a Walgreens. And then, do I love their future outlook? No. It's abysmal. Now, why do I believe that? Well, Walgreens actually recorded a loss last quarter. Okay, not every company is always going to be in the green. How much was the loss? It actually wasn't that bad of a loss. Walgreens recorded a loss of 1.37% last quarter. Now, with interest rates being over 6%, it is not really fair to say that every company is going to have massive improvements. Look at all these electric car companies. Look at Honda. Look at all these other companies that are trying to adapt, innovate, and create change. Look at Facebook and all these other tech companies that are trying to adapt AI, right? They're going to experience some losses. So it's not only Walgreens that is experiencing loss. This is what people will tell me, right? And I completely understand. Walgreens does have a fighting chance, especially as interest rates start to come down. But this is why I believe Walgreens is going to go bankrupt. Now, it starts with their dividend. Everybody knows I love a good dividend, but I'm not a rookie investor. Only rookie investors go after the largest paying dividend, expecting that the money will always be there and that the stock will also go up in value. In fact, when I talk about dividend stock market investing, a lot of people don't think about the growth in the stock. They only think about the dividend, and that is where they mess up. And that is where they're not following my full financial strategy that I have put in place for myself. Now, when we talk about Walgreens, their dividend is 15.78%. Their stock is currently trading at $9.25 at the time of me recording this video. You tell me, if a company is willing to invest 15, almost 16% to keep you as a loyal investor in them, how much are they investing in their own success? They're not looking to innovate. In fact, they've foregone all innovation. And they've instead said, we're just going to copy everybody else. We're just going to try and stay afloat. We're going to be just like a CVS, just like a Rite Aid. We'll let them do all the innovation and we'll copy their strategy. Walgreens has never been innovative since I've been alive. They have not been first to market since I've been alive. What is their future outlook? Can anybody tell me? I'm all ears. So again, when it comes to my philosophy on investing, why I've been able to generate a 28% return year over year for the last 5 years is because I follow my key and core principles, which I've just outlaid, and I'll say it again. You have to know it. You have to love it. You have to use it, and you have to believe in their outward projections. And then a couple of other principles. You have to look at their 5 years. It must be above 135%. And their 10-year, if they have one, should be well over 250%. If their 1 year is negative, that's okay. As long as you can read up on their financials and understand their forward outlook, it might be the best discount of your life if their 1 year is negative and their 5 year and 10 year are still looking that good. Now, for Walgreens, man, oh man, for their 5 year, they are currently down 81.93%. Not up, not even break even. They're down 81.93%. So anyone who invests in Walgreens because they pay a nearly 16% dividend is still going to lose money. When a company's value goes down, if you have $10 and you lose 81% of that over 5 years, I don't care if you're getting a 15 or 16% payout in dividends every quarter. You're still losing money because the value of your entire portfolio is going down quicker than you're being paid out. So if Walgreens loses another 81% in the next 5 years, what do you think is going to happen? They're going to become a penny stock that's trading and super volatile, going up and down every single day where someone is just trying to make it big. I'm pretty sure Uber and Lyft is doing better than Sony stock at this time. Let me take a look. Uber stock. Uber stock is $73.13. Their year, they're up 55%. For the 5 year, they're up 124%. I actually didn't expect it to be doing this good. Do they pay a dividend? They do not pay a dividend, so I'm not that interested. Now let's look at Lyft and see if Lyft is competing on that scale. I'm actually shocked. I just picked Uber at random, but Lyft, $11.67. Still better than Walgreens. For the 1 year, they're down $5.43%. And for the 5 year, they're down 76.17%. Is Lyft to buy? Absolutely not. But guess what? Walgreens is cratering a lot faster than Lyft, which is sad. That's really sad. Now, as for Lyft, they have low cost. All they have to do is keep their tech afloat. And this is not about Lyft, but I just decided, curiosity killed the cat. I just decided to look at the stock real quick to see where it was at. Ironically, after doing my entire stock market evaluation, I didn't even consider these companies, but Uber is probably pretty promising, especially with Lyft almost being eradicated completely. Lyft is getting out of there. So Uber might be a dominant player for years to come, like an Amazon versus a UPS. Uber might be a dominant player for years to come. And I might have to put that on my watch list, even though it doesn't pay a dividend. It is absolutely getting rid of the competition. And yeah, I do believe Uber is more innovative. Lyft is a copycat, similar to Walgreens. All they do is copy what's new. They're not first to market. They're not trying to make things happen. Yeah, in the last 52 weeks, Lyft high was $20.82. Their low is $8.85. They're closer to their low than their high. I just don't believe in it. I just don't believe in it. It doesn't meet the criteria for me. And yeah, just like Walgreens, I believe Lyft is also going down. So you guys got a bonus in there. Those are two companies that probably won't exist in the next 10 years. 5 years from now, they will exist. But 10 years from now, they're absolutely finished. So you heard it here first. Walgreens is going to be out of here. Lyft, if they don't fix what is going on, Lyft will also be out of here. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know I post every single day at 8 a.m. daily on YouTube, Rumble, and Spotify for podcasters. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. Peace.